in your basket? Let's look. What else is in your basket? What's this? Oh. That's a ducky. Oh, it's a chick, yeah. That's right. Ducka. That's right. You said quack, quack. Oh, thank you so much. What else is in there, Ben? Oh, Peeps. Uncle Jason loves Peeps. Peeps. Oh, thank you. Peeps. Okay. What else is in there? We'll open them in a little bit. What else is in your basket? What else does Elmo have?
Shirt.
Oh, look at that Elmo shirt. Oh, we like that. We threw it on the ground, but we like it. What's that? It's a frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Watch Mommy. Hi, Ben. My name is Froggy. I'm gonna be your friend. Ribbit, ribbit. What else is in there? Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Get it out. Oh, jelly beans. You can figure it out. Move the strap. There you go. Don't throw it down. Oh, there it is. What else do you have? Oh, a car. It's a taxi cab. What's that? That's another chick. You want Mama to wind it up? It's a chick. Oh, Daddy gonna wind it up.
Did Daddy wind for you? Daddy wind for you. It's chicky chick. It's it. Ben, let me see it. Oh, he wants to hold on to it. That's a...
Okay, where are you?
Look what Each Bunny brought. Oh, this is your, I think this is yours too, Ben. I'm not sure. Each Bunny didn't do anything. No, it's not anything. This is yours, Ben. Thank you, Ben. It's yours too.
Oh. Look at these. Oh, chocolate bunny. Look at these. Finger puppets. We might have to try those out. And Peeps. Mama got to make sure that Peeps don't have eggs in them. They don't. Just lots of sugar. Yay. You don't know? Okay. Oh, don't step on the bunny. Whoa, don't step on the bunny. That's not nice. You want Mama wind it up so the chicken will go? Don't step on the bunny. Mama gonna eat that later. No, you mean baby. No. Huh? Oh. That's weird because those little baby bunnies were supposed to be in Ben's basket.
Those little baby bunnies?
Yeah.
No.
Mama bought them.
No. Mama didn't buy those.
I mean...
The Easter Bunny did not bring anything.
No, but...
The Easter Bunny brought that.
Okay, the Easter Bunny brought all this stuff. Yes. And then I actually bought those little tiny bunnies for Ben's basket.